Ego kone wito, ejutele ode, odisi ode idano. Ego kone wito enda wete, ego kone wito ea eo, ena maitwa geoka, ani wa morada, ena maitwa geoka to arelete, ena maitwa geoka ea eo, ena rere okire, maito wa morada, ena rere okire to avekire,
atumia batuleka minywa ni atumia
ea eo, nedi mogaidagia, ena maito vito, edi mogaidagia no darutia, edi mogaidagia,
Ikorokai hau de momo gaia yuada ane ogo
ena maito agioka, ena maito agioka to arerete, aya ea eo, ena rere okire, tuzavo komosie, ena rere okire to avekire, ena rere okire ea eo, enyomba nenene, ea maito vito, enyomba nenene tiga toake, enyomba nenene ea eo, ena maito veka, ena maito veka tuonewe, aya ena maito veka ea eo, ega kane gaito, ega kane gaito tikare akene toru magero ega kane gaito ea eo, esiombe haraya, kebuere ode, esiombe haraya siomba haku, enanga siombora esiombe hara, aya ea eo, ego inana geda, amora de nyumba, ego inana geda nagedega, aya ego inana geda, aeo ego kone wito, netwari gangenie, ego kone wito ea emo bunge mwega, ego wa maito, eneigero gemia toro inero tigere iriga eneigero gemie ea eo okogede
atumia babuga bwasi ni wakamiga ene
okogede kagae ea eo eringa na inya erago wa maito eringa na inya wareriro aya eringa na inya ea eo eneigero gemi bomonya gete kumera mosie eneigero gemi ea eo ega kane gaito tikari ake natoru magero ega kane gaito ea eo ewa como utia ena maito vito ewa como utia kiona rohio tora ewa como utia ea eo esiombe haraya kebuere ode esiombe haraya siomba haku enanga siombora esiombe haraya
haya
ea eo maitwa bohuruke
eni
ena moru nagwo
eni kabisa asanteni sana akina mama, asanteni sana akina, wapigieni makofi tafadhali. Eni asante sana, thank you. Hala haroro kuosese. Onge hogo tire mburi. Rohe tio kwe haha, teo neo mburi. Kile toke kuna ingera na wanga mleketio moyo umeleli. Maudo ne mau. Aya kuna msichana hena kana ke hale mheshimiwa kauge thutha wa kugokite hena shugo karoiga gatukenia uka ore rai mwana urugi kai atumia kinya motire roke tahania ni waku one utaangalia pale kwa sababu mheshimiwa ameketi pale si ndio? Good. Haya karibu.
Juja Morenga. Juja mwesawa. Umuthi no nginya tuite githeri. Tondu mami eguko. Tata wa Thika. Mama wa Gikuyu. Na Daddy. Mama wa Limuru. Daddy wa Kiamba. Na Daddy wa Gatondo North. Juja, I want to tell you this. You can fake everything, but you can't fake your mom. My soda said yo. My soda inana yo.
Alright, yo ya doya.
My soda na hanga goma solo. And all protocols observed on stage is none other than Dorcas Muthoni, aka Pastor Dorcas, Queen wa Juja. Because my mom, our Honorable Shiko, Ama wa Muradha, aka Mama Boys, is in the house. Wajuja, tukwambia kuhe agenidio. Our visitors from outside Kiambu County. Listen this, guys. Some people will never see the good in you. They are comfortable with negative ideas about you. More one, your people will find you on your way. Tata wa Thika, I love you so much. Tata wa Thika, whatever God has not removed from your life, He has given you a victory to overcome. Just change your mindset, because you are fighting from a point of victory. I, Queen wa Juja, I pray this today. May God make your destiny helper find no rest until your case is sorted. Mama wa Limuru, the right door will open for you at the perfect time, and you won't even need to knock it. Uncle, trust that God is working behind the scenes. Mama wa Gikuyu, Mama wa Gikuyu, the attack is not against you. It is against your assignment. Mama, don't take it personal. And I wish you can understand this, that no lie spoken over you can ever remove God's grace. Daddy wa Kiamba, de haha nawe. Remember remember the same God that made for you last time. He is still the same God who will make for you now. Don't forget. Daddy Wanga told the North. I am here for you. I, Queen Wajuja. I understand you. They try to bury you, but they forget you are a seed. Look at you now. You have grown up. Keep on progressing because that is your DNA. Wow. And my mom. Najume yapitia, but that problem that has brought you into tears time and time again, it is over today in Jesus' name. And believe that your breakthrough has come. Bedarekia.
Hakeguo, eni. More mono heruega. More heruega. Pisha maneno.
Ukile na.
Mamu akeku.
Oi.
Hali gomo.
Nĩagĩrĩirwo kuonwo nĩ andũ arĩa angĩ nĩguo gũcerera mwana ta ũyũ. Rora mwana ũyũ. Tũkũmũrathima agakorwo kĩrathimo thĩinĩ wa bũrũri ũyũ witũ. Kana ngenda gũtuĩka mũmbunge, kana president, kana first lady, kana ndagĩtarĩ, kana engineer. Mwathani akorwo nawe. Na nĩ ũndũ wa kaũndũ kau auga-rĩ, ka mama guori.
Wewe atia. Turuta mwana wako imagere Ngai. Watu rogamo ukakuja. Pia mheshimiwa Ani wa Murang'a. Niono kwisa. Mami wa Warathe kana kamwena. Mami wa Warathe kana kamwena ko Ngai. Na maundu magoka we